Kotlin tutorial number 11, Scope Functions. Kotlin has 5 scope functions, and the difference that matters is 2 things: how the object is referenced, it vs this, and what is returned, the lambda result vs the object itself. Let and run return the lambda result. Apply and also return the object. Let and also use it, run with and apply use this. Use let to run a block only when the value is not null. Inside the block it is non-null, no operator needed. Use let to scope a chain of transformations to an intermediate result without creating a named variable for every step. Use apply to configure an object and return the same object. Inside the block, this is the object being configured. Call its methods without repeating the variable name. Apply is the builder pattern without a separate builder class. Create the object, configure it in the block, and the result is the configured object. Use also to inject a side effect, logging, validation, debug, printing, into a chain without changing the value flowing through. Unlike let, also returns the original object so the chain continues as if also wasn't there. The name reflects intent. Do this, and also do that side effect. Use run to execute a block on an object and return the result. Unlike apply, run returns the lambda's last expression, not the object. Use it when you need to compute a derived value from an object. It replaces let when you prefer this over it inside the block. Use takeIf to filter a value inline, returns the object if the predicate is true, null otherwise. takeUnless does the opposite. Combine them with let to create concise conditional chains without an if-else block. Both return null when the predicate does not hold, integrating cleanly with else.